A lovely hello to all my 10 champion kids, my dear champions. How are you? How are you all? It's been a while since we met. I was missing you a lot, my dear champions. I hope you were missing me too. Yeah. So my dear champions, first let me know I'm completely audible and I'm visible to you guys. Let me know, is everything fixed, so that we can start today's session, that is of paper out. Okay, so hi everyone, how are you, my dear champs? I hope you all are doing great job in your lives. You all are preparing for your board examination with complete dedication. Well, so let me know first, kindly confirm me I'm completely audible to you and I'm completely visible to you guys, so that we can start our session, that is class 10th paper out. So very important session and very, fruitful session for you will be, because after doing analysis and after reviewing numerous question paper, after analysis number of question paper, previous year question paper, I have created this question paper out series for you. So this session, this video session, this live session will be very important for you. So are you there, guys? You all are there? Give me thumbs up. You all are watching and you all can hear my voice clearly. Superb. Well, so many of you might be thinking, sir is not coming on live. It's been very long time we met. So hello sir, hi Anurag, Raghav, how are you, champion? So let's begin today's session. So basically, my dear kids, in this video I'm going to give you paper out series. Means after your reviewing and after analysis a number of question paper, previous year question paper, so many question bank and all, I have created this series, this video, and here in this video I'm giving you 37, almost 38 questions, which are most expected question that might come in your board exam, in your pre-board exam. Yeah, the question might not be exactly same, but the question will based on the question that I'm giving you in this question paper. Okay, so please watch the live session and stay with me connected. So hi everyone, student who is watching me live in this live session, just give me thumbs up, guys. You are there and you all are well prepared for the live session, and it would be very nice of you guys if you can sit with your notebook and pen so that you can solve question simultaneously with me, guys. Okay, so let's begin today's session. So basically in paper out series I'm giving you most expected question, that is for your pre-board exam. Some yeah, hi everyone, hello, how are? Okay, so let's begin today's session. So very first, section A. So basically I have created this question paper exactly same the board examination question paper. So starting from section A, in which multiple choice question will be there from question number 1 to question number 2. You all know, guys, the multiple choice question carries what? 1 marks each. Okay, so let's begin. So the first question for you, my dear champs, look at the question. Okay, so the exponent of 5 in the prime factorization of 3750. The question is, what will be the exponent of 5 if we do prime factorization of this number? So to find out the prime factorization of this number, what we have to do? We have to take LCM of this number, because the number is a bit big number. So we have to take the LCM here. So 3750. If I take LCM, the unit digit is 0. So this number is clearly divisible by 2. This number will be clearly divisible by 2 because the unit digit is 0 here. So 1 will be here, 2, 8, 16 will be here, 2, 7 and 2, 5. 1875. And as the unit digit is 5, so this and 3, this number can be divided by 3 also. So 3, 6, 50, 16 and 3, 2, 6, and this will be 3, 5, 15. Now the unit digit is 5, so this number can easily be divided by 5. So if I divide by 5, so here will be 125. Then again 5, this will be 25. Again 5, this will be 1. So after taking the LCM of this number, what we are getting? We are getting here 2 into 3 into 5 into here, this is 5 here also. 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. So 2 into 3 into 5 to power 4. And the question is asking the exponent of 5 in the prime factor of this. So look, this is the prime factor. And what is the power of 5? The power of 5 is 4 here. So 4 will be a correct answer. I hope you have understood. The question was asking to find out the exponent of 5 in the prime factorization of this number. So in the prime factorization of this number, we are getting 5 to power 4. So this will be the exponent. I hope you got the point. So moving to question number 2. And look, for the proof I am giving you guys, this question is just asked in one of well-known school of India. So in that school, in pre-board exam, this is, look at the question, same question. The exponent of 5 in the prime factorization of 3750. So this is important question. Okay, I hope you have understood it. Okay, let's move to question number 2. The question number 2 is, if one of the zeros of a quadratic polynomial, look my dear champion, the quadratic polynomial is given to you. This is the quadratic polynomial, right? Till here. This is the quadratic polynomial, till here, right? And one of the zeros of quadratic polynomial is given to you, which is 3 here. This minus 3 is one of the zeros of quadratic polynomial. We know in quadratic polynomial always we get 2 zeros, but 1 zeros is already given to you. You know what is called zero? What is called zeros? Zeros is that value, on putting that value in given quadratic equation, the result will be 0, which satisfies the equation is called 0, right? So this is the quadratic polynomial, k minus 1 x square plus kx plus 1, right? And minus 3 is what? Minus 3 is one of the zeros, right? And we have to find out the value of k here. So if minus 3 is one of the zeros, so on putting minus 3 at x minus 3, the result should be 0, because minus 3 is one of the zeros, and on putting the minus 3 in that quadratic polynomial, the result must be 0, because that is the zeros. So now solve this question. So this will be 9 minus 3 square 9, k minus 1, and here this will be minus 3k plus 1 equals to 0. There is basic mathematics, addition and multiplication. So this will be 9k minus 9, and this will be minus 3k plus 1 equals to 0. Can we solve? 9k minus 3k will be 6k, minus 9 plus 1 will be minus 8. Can we shift this minus k 8 that side? So this will be positive 8. So this will be 8 by 6. Can we cancel it? 4, 3. So k is equals to 4 by 3. Option number A. Option number A is correct answer. So this was the quadratic polynomial, and this was what? Zeros. So zeros always satisfy the quadratic equation. If I put the zeros in that quadratic polynomial, the result must be 0. That value will satisfy the equation, and that is the reason why I am putting here 0. So on solving this, after solving this, we are getting k equals to 4 by 3. Okay, moving to question number 3. Yes, can you do this question number 3? And this question has already been asked in the year 2023. So my dear kids, listen again. I prepared this question bank series, this live session, and this question, you can get this question paper in PDF format in our WhatsApp channel. So after analysis, so many question bank and previous year question paper, I have come up to this conclusion, and I prepared this question paper for you. These are very important questions. Most probably you can get this question anywhere, in your pre-board exam, in any other exam. Okay, so let's move. Question number 3. Can you give me the answer? What will be the correct option? Which will be the correct option? Yes. So Alia is saying answer number A. Very good. Let's wait a while. Let's check if your answer is correct or not. Okay. So many students are watching the live session. I think you should interact. You should attempt the question with me. You should solve the question. Okay, let's do the question. The question is, the point of intersection of the line represented by 3x minus y equals to 3. Okay, and y-axis is given by. So listen my dear kids. There is a line, let's say this is a line here. And the line is the point of intersection. So let's say this is line here. I am writing here, this is 3x minus y equals to 3. And this line is intersected by y-axis. Let's say this is y-axis here. And we have to find out this point of intersection. Look at the question. Look at the question. There is a line 3x minus y equals to 3. and this is, let's suppose this is y-axis, and they both are intersecting at one point. We have to find that one point. What will be that point of intersection where the given line this and y-axis is intersecting? So my dear champion kids, listen, if this is y-axis and this line is intersecting, so this point will be on y-axis, and if this point is lying on y-axis, which coordinate will be 0? This point is lying on y-axis, so which coordinate will be 0? X coordinate will be 0. Are you getting my point? Yes, yes, my dear champ, please listen. This is y-axis and this is the given line which is given here. And the y-axis is intersecting the given line. So it implies that this point will lie on the y-axis. This is on y-axis. And we know if this situation arised on y-axis, so which coordinate will be 0? X coordinate will be 0. Please keep it in mind, X coordinate will be 0. Now the X coordinate of this point is clear to you, that will be X equals to 0. So can we put this X equals to 0 in this equation? So 3x minus y equals to 3, and we have got here X equals to 0, so 3 into 0 minus y equals to 3, so this will be 0, which is minus y equals to 3, so y will be minus 3. We have X equals to 0, we have y equals to minus 3, so which coordinate will be here? This will be 0 comma minus 3. Is there any option? Option number first is correct answer. Yes, Alia reporting. Yes, Alia, very good. Your answer is correct. 0 comma minus 3. I hope this is clear too. See, the level of question is very easy, but this question is conceptual. The student who know this is y-axis, this point will lie on y-axis, the x coordinate will be 0. This is the concept in this question. If any coordinate is lying on x-axis, which coordinate will be 0? Y coordinate will be 0. Or if any coordinate is on y-axis, the next coordinate will be 0. Please keep it in mind. Okay, moving to question number 4. Yes, this is very conceptual question. So I have already told you guys, after reviewing so many numerous question papers, question bank, different books, previous year question paper, then I have come up to the conclusion and I have selected few important questions for you, and those questions we are discussing here, right? So these questions, most probably you can get this question in your exam, not exactly same, but the question will be a bit similar to these questions. So kindly prepare this. Oh, very good. Yeah, okay, now do this question, guys. Now the question is, look at the question. First read the question carefully. First read the question. Don't be in hurry, don't be very quick. First read the question carefully and then follow the step. Look, if sin alpha and cos alpha are the roots of this equation, very good, means sin alpha and cos alpha both are the roots of this equation. Ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. My dear champion, if the equation is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0, means this is a quadratic equation, quadratic polynomial. And we know in quadratic equation there is a very beautiful relationship between roots and the coefficient, and which is what? You all know, sum of roots is minus b by a, right? And the product of roots is c by a. This is very magical relationship, very important relationship. Getting my point? Now apply these formulas. Okay, sum of root, sin alpha and cos alpha both are roots, so sin alpha plus cos alpha can be written as minus b by a. Is it clear? And this is product of roots, so it can be written as sin alpha into cos alpha, which will be equals to c by a. I hope this is clear to you. Yes, I hope this is clear to you. Very good. So sin alpha plus cos alpha is minus b by a, and sin alpha into cos alpha will be c by a. I'm using the basic formula, which is of quadratic polynomial, quadratic equation. But the options are very unique, right? So what we can do, listen, using first equation, look at the first equation. I'm calling this first and this second here. So sin alpha plus cos alpha is minus b by a. So if I square this first equation both sides, if I square the first equation, so what will be the condition? Squaring equation number 1. Okay, so this will be sine square alpha a square plus b square plus 2ab 2 sine alpha and cos alpha, and which will be equals to what? B square by a square, because I am squaring both sides. First equation, I am squaring both sides, the first equations, and we know sine square plus cos square alpha, this is the identity, trigonometric identity, which will be equal to 1. So this will be equal to 1. So we can write here 2 sine alpha into cos alpha will be equal to b square by a square, and this will be 1, and we can shift this one here this side, so this will be minus 1. So here this is what? 2 sine alpha into cos alpha, and sine alpha into cos alpha is what? This is c by a. Yes, we can use here this sine alpha and cos alpha, and sine alpha and cos alpha is equals to c by a. So we can put here c by a, which is equals to b square minus a square by a square. I'm taking the LCM, so this a square will be shifting here this side. So now solve this. So this will be b square minus a square, and this a square, this a square, can we cancel 1a square? So this will be 2ca. This a, the remaining 1a will be multiplied here. So b square minus a square equals to 2ca. So this will be b square minus a square. We can shift this here this side, minus 2ca equals to 0. Check, is there any option b square minus a square? No. So we can multiply by this whole equation by negative sign. So this will become a square, positive, negative will be positive, and positive will become negative, and the negative will become positive. I hope you got the concept. So a square minus b square plus 2ac equals to 0. Option number first. Very good. So many students are, wow, superb. Hi, how are you guys? I hope you got the point. Very interesting question, very easy question. See, guys, listen. You all know the concept, you all know the formula, you have concept, but the condition, the most challenging thing you guys are facing, how to initiate the solution, how to proceed the solution, how to start the solution. And that is the reason why we are coming here with live session, we are giving you recorded videos and all. So only memorizing the formula will not give you the marks in mathematics. You have to practicing for that. You have to do number of numerous question paper. You have to solve the previous year question paper, question bank and all. So keeping these things in mind, after doing analysis of previous year question paper, question banks, and so many things, I have picked up very important question, and I have created this question bank series. So in this live session, there are 38 questions almost we are going to talk about. But solving each and every question will be a bit challenging for me. So this question paper you guys can get in WhatsApp channel, in our WhatsApp channel in PDF format. So to get this question paper, guys, go in our WhatsApp channel, and not right now, just stay here with me in this live session. After the completion, after ending of this live session, you can get this question paper from our WhatsApp channel. Please make sure to go thoroughly the question paper, go through the question paper, solve from question number 1 to the last question, and that will boost up your performance. You will get, most probably you will get around 40 and 50 marks question in your exam. The question might not be exactly same, but the question will the question will be a bit similar to the question I'm giving you in this question paper. So I'm here for you guys. So watch the live session today here. Okay, so whose pre-board examination is done, not to worry, this question will be, will give you the advantage in board exam as well, yaar. So don't worry, don't say ki my pre-board exam is done. Whoever, very good. So my dear champions, so moving to question number, hi Amit, hi, moving to question number 5, very good. Okay, so my dear champions, do this question. Which option will be the correct option? Which option will be correct option? So my dear champions, you all are very important for me. I'm deeply connected with you. So my dear students, for God's sake, don't keep engage yourself in unprofessional activity. Focus on question. Please stop doing this. Stop texting this way and do this question. Which will be correct option? Just give me. Very good. Alia, Mehreen, Dilip, is it live? Yes, Dilip, this is live. And I want to, from you, the answer of this question. Yes, Dilip. Very good. Alia, Amit. Yeah, which option will be the correct option of this question? This is very good question. Yes, my dear champions. Okay, which option? So Alia is writing option number B. Okay, let's do. The ratio of the sum in product of the quadratic equation. So there is a quadratic equation. First, write the quadratic equation calmly. 5x square minus 6x plus 21 equals to 0. This is the quadratic equation. Very good. Very good. And you all know this is A, this is called B, the coefficient of x, and this, the last term is called pure constant, which is C, right? So this is C here. So you have A, you have B, and you have C. But what we have to do, the ratio of sum and product. So you all know sum of the roots, alpha plus beta, is what? Minus B by A. And you have minus B. Minus B, B is already in negative form. So that will be negative, negative, minus, minus 6. And A is what? A is 5 here. So minus, minus will be positive, 6 by 5. And the product of roots, so alpha into beta. And alpha into beta is what, my dear kids? C by A. Wow. C by A. C by A. So C is what? 21. Right? And A is what? 5. Very good. So I have this sum of root and this. But we have to find out the ratio. So we need to divide this. Alpha plus beta divided by alpha beta. So this will be 6 by 5 and this will be 21 by 5. Can we cancel this 5 by 5? So we are getting 6 by 21. Now we can cancel 2 3 just 6, 7 3. So 2 by 7 is correct answer. We can also write in this form 2:7. Any option? Option number B. Yes, Shashikala, welcome Shashi. Yes, yeah, B is correct. Yeah, very good, Shashi. All the very best. Alia is also answered good. Yeah, correct answer, Alia. Superb. Now moving to question number 5. Now, give me the answer. The answer of question number 6, sorry. Which option will be correct? This question is from AP, arithmetic progression. Very important question. So many students are watching live session, but few students are interacting, few students are responding the answer. I want everyone should respond, everyone should participate, because see guys, this time is very crucial for you guys, very important. So make sure to use this time very generously, effectively. You have to be very consistent, focused, because you don't get time for your preparation after 1 month. This 1.5 months is for you, for your complete preparation for you guys. So you have to be very focused, consistent and dedicated towards your board exam. So yeah, some case, very good. Option A. Let's see. Okay. So look, question is what? If the sum of n terms of an AP be 3n square minus n. So if the sum of n terms, what does it mean by this information? The sum of n terms, this is Sn. This is Sn, the sum of n terms, and which is 3n square minus n. 3n square minus n. Is it clear? And its common difference is 6. Very good. The common difference is also given here. 2 informations are given to you. Right? And the question is asking to find out the first term. What will be the first term? Sn is given to you, D is given to you, and you have to find out the first term, which is A. Which is A, right? The first term is called A. How we can find the first term? Look, my dear champions, if Sn is given to you, and if I put here 1, S1, what does it mean by this? S1 means the sum of first one term. And if I do sum of first one term, there will be only first term. Sum of one term means there will be only first term. So if I put here 1, so 3 into 1 square minus 1, so this will become 3 minus 1, which will be equal to 2. Now if I put here 2, at the place of n, I am putting here 2. So what will be the result? 3 into 2 square minus 2, right? So 2 to 4, 4 minus 2, which is here, I am getting 10. Now, what does it mean by S1 and S2? Look, my dear champion, if I am writing a A1, A2, A3 and so on AP. If I do S1 means I am doing sum of first term only, which will be A1 itself. And if I write S2, what does it mean by S2? S2 means sum of these two terms, A1 plus A2. And the sum of A1 plus A2 is what? 10. Now, the first term, S1 is here, we have already got 2, and the sum of two terms is 10. So, if I do S2 minus S1, which number will be there? 10 minus 2, which is 8. See, this is the sum of two terms. And the sum of two terms is what? My dear champion, 10. And the sum of, and this term is only this term is what? This term is 2. So if the sum of these two terms is 10 here, and this, the first term is 2. So how we can find the second term? A2 comes when we add A1 plus D, and D is already given to you, 6. So A2 is what? A2 will be what? This is the sum of first term. So S2 we can write here, this A2 can be written as what? A1 can be written as A2 minus this A2, this, you know, look at here guys, this is S2, and S2 implies the sum of two terms. Means we are adding something, if we are adding something in first term, and the first term is 2, and the common difference is what? Common difference is 6. So if the common difference is 6 and the first term is 2, so what should be the second term so that the sum of these two terms will be 10? What should be the second term so that the sum of these two terms should be 10? So A1 plus A2 is 10 here, and A1 is what? We have already found out here, this A1 is 2 here, A1 is here 2, so we can write here 2 plus A2 equals to 10. So A2 we are getting as, but the question is asking only first term. So we have already found out the first term, which is 2 here. So we don't require to find any other value. Very good. Yes, option number A is correct. Alia, superb. Moving to question number 7. Very easy question. But most of the time teachers ask this question. Anshu. Hi Anshu. Very good evening Anshu. Yes. Sir, समझ नहीं आ रहा है. Lakshman, which question you are facing challenge? Just let me know which question, so that I can repeat for you. Lakshman, yes, I'm here for you, Lakshman. Let me know if you are facing any kind of problem and challenge in any question. Now, Lakshman, don't worry. Start from this question. Start from this question. Very good evening. Look. Okay, Lakshman, look. Which term of AP, so there is an AP, and the question is asking which term of this AP will be 210. There is an AP 21, 42, 63, 84 and so on. And the question is asking from you which term will be 210. I don't know the position. And if you don't know the position, so what we can write? Let's say this will be the nth, this number will be at nth position. So we can write an, and we can write an equals to 210. And we have to find the value of n, because the question is asking which term. So an will be 210, and we know the formula of an is a plus n minus 1 into d equals to 210. Very good. Now you have AP. Look, this is the first term here. So first term we can write 21 plus n minus 1. We have to find out the value of n. So n will be as it is. And what will be d? The difference of these two numbers. So d will be 42 minus 21. I hope you have, this will be 21. Okay, so d is also 21. So we can write here 21 equals to 210. I hope, Lakshman, this is clear to you. Lakshman, I'm waiting for your response. You all, each and every student are important for me. You guys, just let me know. This is correct. This is the first term, which is 21, right? And this is the common difference. The difference between 42 and 21, or 63 minus 42, or 84 minus 63. The difference will remain same in AP. We all know this is the property of AP, right? So n minus 1 into 21, and this will be 210 minus 21, right? So which number will be there? If I subtract this, so this will be here 9, and this will become 0, 8, 189, right? So n minus 1 will be 189 divided by 21. So if I divide this, so this will be divisible by 9. So n minus 1 is 9, so n will be 10th. Very good. So the 10th term will be, hello, superb, Lakshman. I'm really satisfied. So I want such positive messages from you guys. See, my dear champion, if you find any kind of problem, any question, just let me know and I will repeat again and again for you. Your satisfaction matters for me. I am here just for you guys. So if you're facing any challenge, any problem in any particular question, just let me know. Okay? Okay, very good. Sir, kab tak class hoga? The class will be, let's finish these questions. Okay, hello sir, hi brilliant guru, hi. So, very good. So, moving to question number 9. Okay, question number 9. Yes, my dear champions. Yes, my dear champions, very good. What will be the answer of this question? Yes, what will be answer? Very easy question. In what ratio? You know section formula? If you know the section formula, you can solve this question. Section formula. This question is based on section formula. Please solve it. Give me thumbs up, my dear champions. Give me thumbs up. If you are there, if you are watching the live session, and if you are alive, give me thumbs up. Very good. Alia is saying option number C. Okay. Let's wait for that. In what ratio does the x-axis divides the join of A and B? A and B. Very good. So write the A point, which is 2, minus 3, and the B point, which is 5, 6. And the line joining of these 2 points are divided by which axis? X-axis. I have already given you a short trick. If there is any x-axis or y-axis, this is x-axis. It implies that this line will lie on x-axis here. Listen what I'm saying here. If this is the line joining AB and this x-axis passing through one point on AB, intersecting AB, it indicates that this point will lie on x-axis. And if this point is on x-axis, which coordinate will be 0? Y coordinate will be 0. Please keep it in mind. Please keep it in mind. Y will be 0 because this is basically on x-axis condition. And I have already told you so many times, if the point is on x-axis, y coordinate will be 0. If any point is on x-axis, y coordinate will be 0. So what we can do here, we have to find out the ratio. So let's say this is m1 ratio m2. And we have y coordinate which is 0. So can we apply section formula directly on a y-axis to find the y coordinate? So to find the y coordinate at this point, the formula will be m1 y2 plus m2 y1 divided by m1 plus m2. I hope you know this formula, very important formula when any line joining 2 points is divided by any other points internally. So now y coordinate is 0. Because this is on x-axis condition, right? So m1 is what? M1 will keep m1. y2 is what? This is y2 6 plus m2. We don't know m2. And y1 is what? This is the y1 minus 3 divided by, here this is m2, divided by m1 plus m2, right? If m1 plus m2 will come here this side, the whole result will be 0. So we are getting 6m1 minus 3m2 equals to 0. So can we write 6m1 equals to 3m2? Now 3 will cancel this by twice. So we are getting 2m1 equals to m2. But we have to find the ratio. And ratio is what? Ratio is m1 by m2. So can we write in standard form? m1 divided by m2. 2 is multiplied with m1. So we will write 2 here. And m2, the coefficient m2 is 1. So we will write 1 here. So this is 1 ratio 2. 1 ratio 2. Marine is writing C. Okay, yes, Anshu. Very good, Anshu. Superb. The answer is option number C. Moving to question number 10. Can you do this question, guys? Question number 10. Very easy question. 4 tan theta equals to 3. This information is given to you. And the question is asking to find out the value of this whole. Very easy. If you know that concept, Pakistan something something something, bhoka pyasa something, perpendicular base, perpendicular base, perpendicular, hypotenuse. You know guys this, if you know this concept in trigonometry, this question is just 0 for you. This question is just 0 for you. Must time. Hi must time. Hello my dear champ. Yes. Okay. So 4 tan theta equals to 3. If 4 tan theta equals to 3, so can we write tan theta will be 3 by 4? Is it clear? And if I compare this function from this, so in trigonometry ratio, tan theta is what? Tan theta is perpendicular by base. You all should know perpendicular by base. So at perpendicular 3 will be there and at base 4 will be there. So can we draw a right angle triangle? And I'm marking theta here. So by considering this information, I'm taking theta here. So the perpendicular will be 3 and the base will be 3. So what will be this? This will be 5. Because this is right angle triangle, so we can find Pythagoras by using the Pythagoras theorem. The hypotenuse will be 5. Under root 3 square 9 4 square 16 plus 9 over 5. Is it clear? Now we have to find this cos square theta minus sin square theta. So in this triangle, cos theta will be base by hypotenuse. This is base 4 by hypotenuse, which will be 5. And what will be sin theta? Sin theta is perpendicular, 3 by 5. So what will be the square? A square will be cos square theta will be 16 by 5 and here sin square theta will be 9 by 5. The question is asking subtraction, the difference between both. So can we subtract both? So this will be 16 by 5 minus 9 by 5 and the result will be 7 by 5. Any option? Any option? Oh, which option? Which option? This is 3 by 4. There is no any option, so it has to be 7 by, for any option, any. Look, oh sorry, we are getting here 4 square, we are not at 25. So my mistake, apology, this is 7 by 25. The option is correct. Who answered me? Yes, Alia. Very good Arya. Alia. Answer Alia. Full support. Yeah, you all are giving me full support. Moving to question number 11. Thank you guys. Okay, so your result is matter for us. Your result is important for me. I don't need any kind of support and all. I want just love and affection from you. Come here, join the live session, follow us, follow our instruction. Okay, and okay, yes. Now question number 11. You all are good. Too good, my dear champions. Okay, question number 11. If sin A equals to root 3 by 2, cos B equals to 0, then we have to find out tan B minus A. What will be the value of this tan B minus A? Alia is writing option number C. Let's read. Okay, so sin A, my dear champion, sin A equals to root 3 by 2. If I ask you at which angle sin gives the value root 3 by 2, at which angle? So if sin A is here, why I'm writing alpha? I love alpha a lot. Okay, so sin A equals to root 3 by 2. So can I write here sin 60? Because sin 60 gives root 3 by 2. Here is sin, and they both are equal to each other. So A will be 60 degree. Please keep it in mind. Right? Similarly, if cos B equals to 0, so can we write this cos as cos 90? Because the cos 90 gives 0 value. So if this is cos B, this is cos 90. So B has to be 90 degree. I hope this is clear to you. This is A and this is B. So what will be the subtraction? B minus A will be 90 minus 60, and which will be what? 30 degree. Now the question is asking tan B minus A. Wow, tan and B minus A, which is 30 degree. So tan 30, and tan 30 is what? 1 by root 3. Option number C. Who is giving me answer option number C? Alia, Mehreen, very good. Anshu, superb guys, all the very best. Moving to question number 12. Look at question number 12. Yes, my dear champions. Look at question number 12. How, Anshu? How you get A? See, if the subtraction 90 minus 60, if you get a 45 degree, then only 1045 gives 1 degree. So then only you can get the answer 1. But the difference is 30 degree, and 1030 is equals to 1 by root 3. Don't worry. Anshu, should I do it again for you, Anshu? Look, Anshu, I'm giving you short explanation. Sine A equals to root 3 by 2. So if I ask you at which angle sine gives root 3 by 2, so at 60 degree. So root 3 by 2 I have replaced here by sine 60. So here is sine, here is sine. So angle will also be equal to each other. So A is 60 degree. Similarly, if cos B equals to 0, so if I ask you what angle should be here, what angle B should be, what angle B should be there at the place of B, so that cos can give you the 0 value, 90 degree. So using that we are getting here B is equals to 90 degree, right? So A we have 60, B we have 90. What is the difference of B and A? That will be 30 degree, and we have to find out 10B minus A, and that is 1030 degree. Very good. Now you have, very good. Okay, moving to question number 12. Do this question. So this is very easy question. So this is homework for you guys. So you should try. Very easy question, I think. Very easy. And I'm giving you one more information, very important information, guys. If you want to get this question bank in PDF form, question paper out in PDF format, guys, you can go to our WhatsApp channel. You can get the question paper from there. Okay, moving to question number 13. Look at this question. What will be the answer? Yes, give me answer. This is not MCQ type. We have started here. Look, guys. Okay, so this is not in MCQ. Oh yeah, this is of MCQ, but I could not given the options here. Don't worry. Do this question, guys. Which option will be correct? Which option will be correct? I'm waiting for your response, guys. The question is, look, this is tangent. PT is called tangent. Tangent, right? And this whole AB from here to here, this whole AB, this is called secant. And there is a very beautiful relationship between both tangent and secant. Very beautiful relationship. Very beautiful relationship between tangent and secant. What is the relationship? Listen, the tangent, which is PT, this is the point of contact. The tangent square, PT square, is equal to the product of, the tangent square is equal to the product of the length of tangent whole, the length of secant into the part of secant which is exterior to the circle. I am taking first whole secant into the part of secant which is outside the circle. This is the relation. Very important formula. This is called tangent secant theorem, right? So very number of students are giving answer 32. Let's check. So PT is what? PT, which is TP also, 12. So we can write here 12 square. PB is what? I don't know PB. So first we will find PB. And PA is what? 4. So I can write 4 here. So 12 square will be 144 PB into 4. So can we find here PB, which will be 144 divided by 4. So 4, 3, 12 and 12, 4, 6. So PB we are getting here 36. Right? So if PB is 36, this whole is 36. Right? The question is asking to find AB. So what will be AB? This AB we have to find out. So what will be AB? AB will be PB minus PA. So PB is what? 36 and PA is what? PA is given to you 4. So 36 minus 4 will be 32. Please, piche na pado. Yeah, what you guys are doing here? Editor forgot. Oh. No issues, no issues. You guys are champion. Okay, please. Yes, Alia. 32. Alia is correct here. Only Alia answered correct. Yes, I'm waiting for you guys. Other. Okay, Now do this question. Question number 14. The difference between the circumference and radius of the circle is 37 centimeter, and we have to find out the area of the circle. You know, area of the circle, the formula of area of the circle is pi r square. So to find out the area of circle, we must have r first. Without radius, we cannot find the area of the circle, right? So look at the condition. The difference between the circumference and radius, so circumference is 2 pi r and radius is this, which is equals to 37 centimeter. The difference between circumference and radius, right? Okay, can we take r as common? So this will be 2 pi and this will be 2 pi, so 2 pi is what? 22 by 7, right? Minus 1. Is it clear? And equals to 37 here. So the difference between the circumference and the radius of the circle is 37 centimeter. So this is the circumference, okay, and this is the radius, and the difference is 37. Now what I'm doing here, listen, this is 2 to 44 minus, on taking LCM, 7 will be here, and this is 7, equals to 37. Can we subtract this? So on subtracting 44, 7, we will be getting 37 again. And here is 37. So 37 will be cancelled with 37. So we are getting here r equals to 7 centimeter. And as you got r, you can find the area. Yes, r is the important thing. Yes, r is important thing. So area will be pi r square, which is 7 square. Pi is 22 by 7 and 7 square will be 49. So 7 to 7 cancel here, and this is 144 centimeter square. I hope Marine is answering here 154 centimeter square. Very good, Marine. Okay, moving to question number 15. Look at the question. So the question is the volume of largest circular cone that can be carved out a solid cube. So there is a cube, solid, right? So this is solid cube. This is the solid cube. Okay, dear, this is solid cube, and we are carving a right circular cone. This will be the right circular cone, the largest right circular cone we are carving. This is the right circular cone, and if I'm carving here the largest circular cone, so the diameter of the cone will be what? Equal to the edge, equal to the side length, which is 2 centimeter, right? The diameter of cone will be 2 centimeter, and if the diameter of the cone will be 2 centimeter, so radius will be 1 centimeter, the half of the diameter. So, and the height will be, this will be the height, and the height will be 2 centimeter, right? So we have to find out the volume. So volume of cone, we all know 1 by 3 pi r square h. So this will be 1 by 3, keep pi as, because the options are consisting pi, and the radius will be 2 centimeter, half of 2 will be 1, and the height will be 2 here. So this will be 2 pi by 3, and as we are finding volumes, we have to write here centimeter cube. Yes, 2 pi by 3 centimeter cube. Any option? Option number D. Moving to question number 16. Yes, I'm giving you this question for your homework, but I'm giving you the concept. Don't worry. How you can solve this question? Anshu is writing 144. Yes, my dear champions, what will be the answer of this question? Question number 16. Give me which option will be correct. First, read the question carefully. Look at the information given in the question and write down the information, given information. So in this question, mean and median of distribution are given. This is mean here. Mean is 14 and the median is what? 15. Median is 15. And the question is asking to find out mode. So you know empirical relationship between mean and mode and median. So there is very magical formula. Mode equals to 3 median minus 2 mean. This is the formula. You can use this formula. Using this formula, you can get the correct answer. Keep it in mind, please, this formula. My dear champions, my dear lovely kids, please keep it in mind. This formula is very important. There is huge chance to get the question based on this formula. So using this formula, you can get the result. Question number 17 is interesting. The probability that a leap year has 53 Sundays. Yes, I will give you the explanation of this question. What will be the probability that a leap year has 53 Sundays? If I ask you, what does it mean by leap year, guys? What is called leap year? So basically, there are two types of year, normal year and leap year. In normal year, there are 365 days, but in leap year, there are 366 days, right? So, look, if I talk about leap year, so leap year means 366 days, okay? And if I divide this 366 in week, multiplication of weeks, so this will be 52 into 7 plus 2 days. Look, in 1 week, how many days are there? 7 days. So 52 into 7 is what? 52 into 7 is 364. Right? So this is basically 364 days plus 2 days. This is the condition for leap year. Right? Means there are 52 weeks confirmed. 52 weeks are confirmed. 52 weeks are confirmed. And if there are 52 confirmed weeks, so how many Sundays are there? 52 Sundays. 52 Sundays are also confirmed because 52 weeks are confirmed. And if 52 weeks are confirmed, means 52 Sundays are confirmed. Now, this 2 day will decide the number of Sunday, 53 Sunday. And look, my dear champions, if 52 weeks are confirmed, 52 Sundays are confirmed, now come to 2 days. This 2 day can be first Sunday, then Monday, or Monday, Tuesday. So the combination, the possible combinations will be what? If I talk about possible combinations for these 2 days, so it can be what? Sunday plus Monday, right? Then first day might be maybe Monday and the second day maybe Tuesday. Then the third possible combination, Tuesday plus Wednesday. Third can be Wednesday, then Thursday, then Thursday plus Friday, then Friday plus Saturday, then Saturday plus Sunday. These are the possible combinations. They can occur. If 52 weeks are confirmed, so for in 2 days, these possible combinations are, there are the possible outcomes. So how many possible outcomes? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And at how many places Sundays are coming? Sunday is here in this combination and Sunday is here in this combination. So how many possible outcomes for Sunday? If Sunday come here or Sunday come here, the total Sunday will be 52 plus that one will be 53. Right? So 2 favorable outcomes. Here is 1 and here is 1. This is 2 favorable outcomes. And how many possible outcomes? 7. So answer will be 7. And combining this one Sunday, any of these 2, the total Sunday will be 53. I hope you got the point. Yes. So the answer will be 2 by 7. Very important question. Very important questions. Right? So this is question number 18, guys. So as I have already told you before starting the live session, so there are so many questions. Look, question number 18 is based on mean, and my dear kids, this is a very interesting question. A mean of 100 items is 49. It was discovered that 3 items which should have been 60, 70 and 80 were wrongly read as 40, 20 and 50. 40, 20 and 50 respectively. What will be the correct mean? So you can find the solution. This is assertion and reason based question. So after going through numerous question paper, yes, Jaya Gule, hi Jaya Gule, how are you? So after observing, reviewing, and after doing analysis of so many question paper, I have created this very important question paper for you, paper out series. So to get this question paper in PDF format, guys, please go in WhatsApp channel. You can get the question paper from there. So this is very important. So question number 20 is from quadratic equation. This is assertion and reason based question. So there will be most probably there will be 2 questions based on assertion and reason in your question paper. And now section B is starting from here. Section B, the question consists a very short answer that will carry 2 marks each. So the question section B is starting from question number 21 to 25. So this question will carry 2 marks. So look at the question. Find the length of a rope which be cut into whole number of pieces of length 45 centimeter, 75 centimeter and 81 centimeter. So basically in this question you have to find out. Hi, I'm Ajinkya. Hi, how are you Ajinkya? Welcome. So in this question you have to find out the LCM. So by finding the LCM, you can find the total least length of the rope. So find the LCM of 45, 75 and 81. Okay. And this question is recently asked in pre-board exam of one of renowned school of India. So look at this question. Find the least length of rope which can be cut into whole number of pieces of length 45 centimeter, 85 centimeter and 81 centimeter. So I'm giving you here proof. These are very important questions. So most probably you can also get this question in your upcoming pre-board exam or in any exam. Question number 22 is from quadratic equation, right? Question number 23 is again, this is from pair of linear equation in 2 variable. You guys know when there are infinite many solution of any 2 linear equations, so we used to write a1 by a2 will be equal to b1 by b2 and which will be equal to c1 by c2. So by using this formula you can get the answer of this question, right? The sum of the digits of 2, this is from what? Quadratic equation. You know the 2-digit number is basically in the form of 10x plus y. So using this concept you can solve this question. I am giving you short overview, guys. You should solve the question in each and every question given in this question paper, and you can get this question paper from our WhatsApp channel. Okay, solve the quadratic equation by factorization method. So what you have to do to apply the by factorization method is what? Middle term splitting method. This is called what? Factorization method. No difference, both are same. So you have to split this middle term. Right, now find the value of k for which this equation has real and equal roots. So guys, you know, if the equation has real and equal roots, means the discriminant will be 0. So you have to use this formula. So discriminant will be b square minus 4ac will be equal to 0. So this is your responsibility, this is your duty to kindly go thoroughly this question paper, go through each and every question and check your potential, how much question you are able to attempt, how beautifully you can get the answer, and then let me know, sir, I am facing challenges in the question number 22 and 23. Sir, I am facing the challenge in question number 19, whatever. So I am giving you just as a gift. This is very important question paper for you guys. So go and attempt the question. Question number 25, this is from circle. If I draw the line from this center to here, so this will be 90 degree, and here this will be 90 degree. If I join this line from this, so there are 2 right angle triangle. This is right angle triangle and this is right angle triangle. So can we apply Pythagoras theorem? I think it might not showing. So I am joining this and this. So this will be 90 degree, this will be 90 degree. So this triangle will become right angle triangle and this triangle will become right angle triangle. So we can apply Pythagoras theorem. So after applying Pythagoras theorem, you can get the answer. Now question number section C. Section C consists short answer type question, and each question carry 3 marks. Same pattern will be in your final board exam. The pattern we are following here. This is very good question, very important question. Sin theta plus cos theta is x, and we have to show that sin 6 theta plus cos 6 theta equals to 1 minus 3 by 4 x square minus 1. I am giving you the hint. If you know the formula a plus b whole square, which is equals to a square plus b square plus 2ab, and if you know a cube plus b cube formula, which is equals to a plus b, a square plus b square minus ab, using these 2 formulas you can solve this question. So again, this is homework. Please try and let me know in comment section you are able to do the question or not. So this is for you guys. Question number 26. This is again, if we have to show the right hand side and left hand side equal to each other. So what you need to do, you should what you need to do if tan theta and cot theta is there? So first change the tan theta and cot theta in the form of sin theta and cos theta. So tan theta can be written as sin by cos, and cot theta can be written as cos theta by sin theta. First replace this tan theta from this and this cot theta from this. After doing the mathematical calculation, you can get the result. Now moving to question number 27. Prove that the length of two tangents drawn from an external point to a circle are equal. Okay, so what you have to do in this question, look, there is a circle and we have to prove if I join this line here and here. Okay, so we have to prove these tangents are equal to each other. Both the tangents are, we have to prove it. So you all know by theorem this will be 90 degree and by theorem this will be 90 degree. Now join this. This is radius and this is radius. So if this is 90 and this is radius and this is common in both, the middle side is common in both. So by RHS congruency, what? This triangle and this triangle will be congruent to each other. And if both the triangle are congruent to each other, so we can write what? PA equals to PB by CPCT. Right? So again, I'm not giving you complete solution. This is your task. This is your homework, guys. If any one of you might thinking, sir, is not solving the question, sir, how we can? So please go and solve this question, guys, and check your potential. Now this question is mean. The mean of the following data is 42. Find the missing frequencies X and Y. So basically this is of mean. So to find the mean, to apply the formula of mean, first you have to find the class mark. Right, this is class interval. So what will be the class mark? We can call X. So X will be the middle term of this. So 0 plus 10 will be 10. 10 divided by 2. 10 plus 20 will be 13. 30 divided by 2, 15. 20 plus 30 will be 25. So similarly, you have to find the X value. Now you have to apply. This is frequency. So the next table will be Fx. So using step deviation method, direct method, or assume mean method, you can find the mean. Okay, this is, look at the question. In this question, a survey on the height of 50 girls of class 10th was conducted at a school and the following data is obtained. Right, you have to find out again here in this question. Let me show you. Here the question is not complete. So basically this question I remember. In this question you have to find out the median. And you all know for median there is a formula. L plus n by 2 minus CF divided by F into H. Okay, using this formula you can find the median. Moving to question number 29. This question is find the ratio in which the point this divide the line segment joining this and this. Very good question. Again section formula. So using section formula you can find X, M1 X2 plus M2 X1 divided by M1 plus M2. Right, or for Y we can use M1 Y2 plus M2 Y1 divided by M1 plus M2. So using these two formula you can find out. Now this question, if the point this is equidistance, you know distance formula. So in this question you have to use distance formula. Using distance formula you can solve this question. Okay, so I'm giving you short hint. Question number 30. This question is interesting, guys. Okay, this question will carry 3 marks, right? So this question is from area related to circle. So if this is 90 degree, so this will be a quadrant. We can find the area of this quadrant. And if this is center, so there will be 90 degree. And if this is 90 degree, so this is right angle triangle. So in this whole shaded, this is shaded region. If I subtract area of semicircle minus area of this triangle, we can get the area of this shaded region, this shaded portion. So using that formula you can find the solution. A card is drawn at a randomly a card is drawn from a well shuffled deck of 52 cards. You know in 52 cards, how many types of cards are there? 4 types. Club, spade, you all know diamond and heart. Each category carry 13 cards, right? Ace card, face card, king, queen and all, right? From 10 to 1, 10 to 2, exactly. Okay, so 13 cards carry each and every category. So 13 into 4 will be 52. So one card is drawn randomly. We have to find a card of spade or an ace. A card of spade or an ace. So in this we have to consider both. A card of spade. So card of spade will be 13 and ace card. So if I'm taking 13 of spade, so one ace is already considered. So 3 aces will be remain of club, diamond and heart. So we can add here 3. So 13 and 3 will be 16. This will be the favorable outcome. And how many total outcomes are there? 52. So the result is there in front of you. So 4 and this is 13. So the answer will be 4 by 13. So using that you can get the answer. Section D. Long answer question in this section. Question number 32, 35. 5 marks each. So section D will give you 5 marks. Complete 5 marks. So look at the question here. The present age of father is 3 years. Guys, I have already given you short trick. If the question you got based on present age and after 3 years hence, 4 years ago and all. So in such question, what you have to do, what you should do, first let the present age. First let the present age. Because the question is asking to determine the present ages. So let the present age. If the persons are 2 persons and 3 persons are there, so let the present age. So the present age of father be X years. Present age of son be Y years. After supposing the ages, you can create the equation. And once you create the equation, you can solve. Moving to question number 33. This is state and prove basic proportionality theorem. You have to do this question. State and prove basic proportionality theorem. So basic proportionality theorem is what? In any triangle, there is a triangle ABC, and if we join here the point PQ, and if PQ is parallel to BC, this is given to you. If PQ is parallel to BC, so what this theorem is also called Thales theorem. Basic proportionality theorem is also called Thales theorem, right? So if PQ is parallel to BC, AP divided by PB is equals to AQ divided by QC. We have to prove this to prove. So what we do in such question, we used to draw perpendicular line from here, perpendicular from here, right? And we join this from here and this from here. And by I'm calling this as M and here this is N. So to find the ratio, if PQ is parallel to BC, then these 2 points divides the line AB and AC into equal corresponding ratios. We have to prove that. Okay? Very good. So by using the area concept, if we find the area of triangle APQ, the area will be base, half base into height. Half base into height. Base is what? AP. And the height is what? MQ. So using this, first try yourself. I'm giving you here question paper. First try yourself. And this question paper, this series is very important for you. So you should go thoroughly the question paper and you should attempt each and every question. Just let me know, sir, I'm having difficulty and challenges in particular question number. Let me know. Moving to question number 34. This is motorcycle, a motorboat whose speed in still water is 18 km per hour. Takes 1 hour more to go 24 upstream. You know guys, upstream when we go in opposite to the direction of flow of water, right? This is called upstream. This is simple. If you go opposite to the stream of water, the speed will decrease, and if you go in the direction of flow of water, the speed will increase. So this is called upstream and downstream. Find the speed of the stream. So first the question is asking to find the speed of stream. So suppose it, let it first. So let the speed of stream be X km per hour. Now you can create the equation. Now you can form the equation. Find the value of P for which the quadratic equation has simple. If the quadratic equation has real and equal roots, so D will be 0. Now using this formula, B square minus 4AC equals to 0, you can find the result. You can find the value of P here. Okay. Now moving to question number 35. Question number 35, a wooden article was made by scooping out a hemisphere from each end of a solid cylinder. So there is a cylinder. Okay dear, there is a cylinder. And we are scooping one hemisphere here and other is here. So what will be the surface area of remaining solid? So there will be curved surface of this hemisphere and curved surface of this hemisphere and the curved surface of cylinder. So the total surface area of remaining solid after scooping out two hemisphere. So CSA of hemisphere, and you know both hemispheres are equal, so we can write 2 into curved surface area of hemisphere plus CSA of cylinder. Yes, use this formula. You know CSA of hemisphere is 2 pi r square and the curved surface area of cylinder is 2 pi rh. So this will become 4 pi r square and this will be 2 pi rh. Use this formula, you can get the answer. Hi. Okay. Now section E. Section E is just case-based question. This section will contain case-based question, right? And the case-based question might carry 5 marks will be there or 4 marks also. So look, this is the question. The question is, Sandeep and his sister Dolly visited at their uncle's birthplace and Himachal Pradesh. During daytime, Sandeep, who is standing on ground, spot a paraglider so here is paraglider, this is the paraglider P, at a distance of 24 meter, 24 meter, front him at an elevation of 30 degrees. So this is 30 degree. So if we got the term elevation, so it implies that this question is from application of trigonometry. So in this question, there are 4 questions. We have to find the correct answer of these 4 questions using sine theta, perpendicular by hypotenuse, cos theta, base by hypotenuse, tan theta, perpendicular by base. So you have to use this formula carefully. Then you can get the correct answer. Okay. Moving to question number 37. In the month of April to June 2022, the exports of passenger cars from India increased by 26% in corresponding quarter of 2021-2022 as per report. A car manufacturing company planned to produce 1800 cars in 4th year. Very good. A4 is 1800. And 2600 car in 8th year. Very good. A8 equals to 2600. Assuming that the production increases uniformly, means the common difference is same, and if the common difference is same, the progression will be AP, right? Fixed number. Based on the above information, we have to find out the answer of these questions. There are 3 questions given, so this is case study. So if A8 is given here, so this will be A plus 7D, 2600, and this is A4, which will be A plus 3D equals to 1800. Can we subtract these two? So on subtracting, A will be cancelled, 7D minus this will be 4D, and 2600 minus this will be 800. So we are getting D as 200. Now what will be A? Putting this D in any equation, we can get A, 1800 minus 3D, 3 into 4, 3 into this is 2, 200. So A will be 1800 minus 600, which will be 1200. So what is the first question? Find the production in the first year. Wow, this is the first term, which is 1200. Find the production in the 12th year. So we have to find here 12th term. So we can use here formula A plus 11D. Find the total production in first 10 years. So we have to find sum of 10 terms. Very easy questions. So this is case-based question. So now, my dear champions, again I'm informing you guys, this is my humble information to you guys. If you want to get the question paper, these questions in PDF form, go in our WhatsApp channel and you can get this question paper from that. And again I'm telling you guys, after analysis, after reviewing numerous question paper, I have I come up to the conclusion and I have picked up here very important questions. So before sitting in exam, in your pre-board exam or any upcoming exam, you should go thoroughly to this question, to these all questions. So 37 questions are here. So solve each and every question, guys. Very important question for you. Look, so most of the MCQs we have already discussed. I have already solved here in front of you guys. So thank you so much for being in live session. Thank you so much for coming. Stay blessed, stay sparkling. And the student who have already subscribed the button, very good. And the student who have not subscribed the channel yet, go hit the subscribe button and share this live session with your friend. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye-bye.